What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at 412 Motorsport for the BH2 rally, the BMW M Tour rally, guys. It's literally nothing but M cars here. So I'm gonna show you guys all the cars that are here. It goes all the way to the back. Nick is coming, Mark is coming, Anthony's here, Beamer fam is here, all the homies are here. It's gonna be a great time, fantastic. Super excited for this, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go check out all the cars that are here. Starting off, as you can see here in the front, it's literally all this and all the way through the back, but we're gonna go through the front.
What's going on, guys? Joseph,
What's up?
412. Welcome to the shop, guys.
Damn, it's crazy lit in here. Alright guys, as you can see, the cars here are already crazy. We have so many sick ass cars. Oh my gosh. This is where you come and you check in. Look at this, frozen white G80. We saw purple G80, GT3 RS. So many crazy cars here. Oh shit. They got the breakfast. They're all gone. Rolex.
What is that?
It says Rolex on it.
That one, I got that one.
Take it. Big homie Anthony pulled up. The homie Marlins. G80 M3. Rich.
Good morning.
Sheesh.
Anthony, maybe pull forward a little.
The homie Yuji.
People gotta think.
We got G80 M3. M8 Comp. X5M. So many cars. M2 G80, like a satin color. E92 M3. M8 convertible. What kind of blue is this? That's a pretty sick blue. G80 M3. G80. So many G80s, guys. G80 M3. G80 M3. M8 Grand Coupe. It's like a purple color. That's pretty sick. Purple G82. G82 Coupe. Why are so many G80s?
Too many G80s,
Right?
bro.
Bro, there's not enough F80s. X6M, E46 M3, E92 M3. Big homie Diego.
Yes.
E92 M3. But yeah, guys, this rally is gonna go all the way to BMW of Carlsbad. It's like kind of like almost like San Diego, almost. Not really, but kind of close. All over, Nick. Where you at, fool? Big homie Beamer fan. Frozen Blue G80. Sick. You got Mark's F80. Super clean. M4 CS. Okay. Guys, there's so many cars here. We have the brand new M2, guys. Beautiful red color on BBS is already. Look at the seats. I like how they did the red, blue, super nice. And the interior is just crazy. That brand new screen, 2023. Look at the door panel right there with the M tri-stitching color. Super nice car. Got the carbon roof. Just super clean. Beautiful GT3 RS. This is exactly how I'd get it, guys. It looks so sick. We got the Raptor. Got an F80 M3. Got some more cars down here. Let's go down here. We got the F8 matte black. That shit looks sick. We got the brand new M2, like a baby blue color. Got the 911 Carrera. We got the Ferrari. Sheesh. This looks sick. Fighting puto.
Ceramics.
Oh my, change your brakes, fool. Change your brakes. Sheesh. Rich. Alright,
See me
guys,
after
driver's
this,
meeting.
I'll show you the code. We're gonna drive straight to our first regrouping spot. It's a gas station like 50 miles away. All gas stops are E85. I made sure to have all of that settled.
Hell yeah.
Shut up.
Alright guys, we have officially left for the BH2 BMW M Tour rally. And we've got a couple of stops before we get to the BMW dealership. So stay tuned. So many BMWs. So many G80s. We got the big homie X6M. Mr. Beamer fan. Frozen blue first location. There's still a lot of cars that are missing, but we were mobbing it over here. We're still waiting for Nick, I think Mark. We're still waiting for a lot of cars that got lost. Got the homie Beamer fam, big homie Anthony. All right, guys, Nick made it, but look what happened. Oh my.
101.
You like it?
How does that happen, Nick? Fool, you don't know how to drive, fool. All right, you guys, we are back on the road. Let's go. I gotta avoid him. My radar's going off. There's another one in the back. Even the XM is rolling with us. Getting that roller though. One of the sickest G82s I've ever seen. That purple color with the carbon ceramics. Dude, that thing is absolutely beautiful, guys. With the laser headlights. So sick. B92. Oh, they got the homie Diego. Diego. What's happening right now? All right, guys, we're about to get to the second location right now. Look at all the cars, and none of us have gone pulled over yet. We got the homie Diego. We got so many cars. He goes all the way back there. All the way back there, guys. That's a clean M2 right there. All right, guys, we made it to the second location now. We all made it in one piece. Everybody's driving safe. We're all good. We made it. As you can see, we are taking over the gas station once again. Man, look at that view. It's only me and Nick. Everybody else, I don't know what happened to them. They left us. Got this nice view. And I need gas too. Hopefully we make it to the gas station. We're at a gas station, waiting for a lot of people still. A lot of people are stuck. We stopped to get some pie. I didn't vlog it, but we're all at the gas station here, and we're kind of pretty much ready to roll out. It's almost time to go. Is that Ice Spice on the flag? Oh my god. Alrighty, guys, we have made it finally to BMW Carlsbad. Crazy ass drive, guys. Probably one of the sickest drives I've ever gone on. Big shout out to BH2 for hosting the BMW M2 rally. This shit was crazy, yo. So much fun. BH2 for hosting this. Bro, this was amazing. So much fun. The drive, the route,
Thank you.
the canyon, everything was sick, bro.
Thank you.
Had a lot of fun.
Coming out.
Sure. Hopefully more in the future.
Check us out, our Instagram for more
Sure.
events, barrel drops.
Cool.
BH2
Guys, I'm gonna
official.
drop their Instagram down below. Go give them a follow right now. And she's crazy.
You shout out BH2. Shout out BH2.
All right, guys, we are inside the BMW dealership. They got lunch for us. Got some cool BMWs we're gonna check out. Maybe we might cop some merch. I'm not sure. We gotta see what they got. They got the BMW M8 convertible, purple, with that Silverstone interior. Damn, that's just good. That is super nice. M8. We got another M8 frozen dark blue Grand Coupe with the white interior. That's hella nice. Wow, that's it. We got the 7 Series, and we got the XM with all the gold accents on it, on the wheels, on the grills. But we're trying to see the M's though. Where's like the M4 CSL? Where's the cool cars at? Ooh, nice. We got the G82. That's a nice color. It's like a greenish color with the Silverstone interior. That's pretty nice. Carbon roof, as you can see on the top. That's really nice. 117,000. God damn, that's a lot of money. Hold on, they're playing my vlogs on the TV. V2 electronic steering wheel. Look how it feels when it's brand new, guys. Beautiful with the dry carbon ceramic brakes. That's clean. All right, guys. So this is the private lunch that they gave us. Get it. Nice.
Zoom in.
I did it.
He's already done.
What is that? Horchata?
Right there. You said water.
VIP only, VIP.
Some fruit.
Some fruit.
All right, let's enjoy our private lunch. Oh, look, they got all these cool like accessories and cups. These are pretty cool. Damn. Hella nice. Guys, it is time to roll out.
Wait a minute.
What a long day, long drive, a lot of BMWs, but it's time to go home. Such a clean M4. Love the color. Damn, look at this lineup though. It's so crazy. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.